Alright, so this is going to be my first blacksmithing video. I went out and got this anvil, set it up on a stump, and I was lucky to find that actually. What I'm doing is I'm just trying to learn blacksmithing. I've never done this before. I'm learning stuff on YouTube and from books. Right now, well, I made this spoon for my flux, and I want another spoon for skimming dross off when I do like aluminum melts. So I'm going to make it out of this piece of rebar here. It's thicker, so it's going to give me a bigger spoon, and then I'm going to taper it down to a reasonable size for a handle. Maybe have it out this long. Never done this before, except the one that you just saw. Well, let's see how it goes. First, let's heat this baby up in the forge. Alright, so first I just want to flatten it out. Cross-peening it to spread it. Need some more heat. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but I'm going to use this to form the spoon. Alright, old ball peen hammer. Almost looks like a spoon. So I'll dress that up a little bit later, straighten it out. But that'll work. Now I'm going to work on the handle. Do not have a good set of tongs. I probably shouldn't have done the spoon first. Yeah, I guess I should have done the spoon last, but I didn't really have confidence that I was going to be able to do it. That's just being a wimp. If you don't have the right tool, improvise. Need to draw that out a little more. Flying hot metal. Alright, now I'm going to round the end at least off. Make it a little easier to handle. The welding clamps are working, but barely. I'm going to go ahead and try to round the whole thing. I think it looks so much better round. Bet you can guess what I'm making next. So I had a little problem. The camera died, so I didn't get the last footage of straightening out, but it really wasn't any big deal. And as you can see, I didn't do that great of a job, but it works. It's not pretty, but it was a useless piece of rebar, and now it's a spoon. And in fact, I already used it. I melted some aluminum, and there's a crucible, and I just reach in and skim off the dross with that. Worked quite well. So there you go. I think I need to make some tongs next. See you soon.